Welcome to iPhone Tips and Tricks. iPhone camera app is loaded with many useful features to take stunning photos and videos. We discuss about 5 tips using camera app in iPhone. Tip number 1, use Compositional Grid. iPhone allows you to toggle the grid on and off camera screen. The camera grid helps create a balanced composition that adhere to photography's good techniques. The grids helps you to position different elements in the photo. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Camera, and enable the grid option. Tip number 2, enable 4K resolution when recording. If you want to shoot video in best quality, then choose 4K at 60 frames per second. Please note, the better the video quality, the more storage it will consume. Tip number 3, tap to focus on object. If there are many objects, you can tap on specific object to focus on. The yellow box appear on the object you focus on. And set the focus on sharper image. Tip number 4, self-timer for group selfie. Self-timer is now hidden in recent updates. This feature useful when taking group selfie. On camera app, swipe up to bring the timer icon, then tap timer and choose 3 or 10 seconds. Tap the shutter button to start countdown. Tip number 5, portrait mode. You can decide how much blur for the background in portrait mode. On camera app, select portrait then tap on F, on the top right hand corner. Then slide left or right to adjust the amount of background blur. I hope you enjoy this short video. Please share your view and feedback. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.